Hello friends, very good afternoon. Welcome to Engineering Basic, and today we will study about the different problems on the ordinary derivatives. Okay, let's start. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please go and subscribe to watch my further video. The first question is y equal to e to the power x sine 3x upon 3x square minus 2x plus 1, right? This question will tell to find derivative of y with respect to x. Now how to find the derivative of y with respect to x? Let's see. dy by dx, right? I have wrote this thing here only. Now dy means this term, right? Now I'll write here exponential x sine 3x upon 3x square minus 2x plus 1 upon dx, right? What I have done, I have copied this thing here. Now this formula is in du by v. Now let's see what is the formula of du by v. U means this term and v means this term. Now what is the formula of du by v? The formula is v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon what is in down v. So what that will be v square. Here is this term, that it will be square. Now let's see, we'll use this formula here. Okay, v means down one and u means upper one. b means 3x square minus 2x plus 1. d u means upper x sine 3x upon dx with respect to dx minus u means what? U means e to the power x sine 3x, right? Now upon again there is dv by dx. v is our lower term, so d I'll write here. Okay, d 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by v square. v square means 3x square minus 2x plus 1 of whole square. Okay, now we'll solve. Here is nothing, so I'll keep same this term, means I'll copy this thing here. Understood? Now here is exponential terms and here is trigonometric term, so we have to separate. How to separate? This is u and this is v, means this formula is going to be in du by du into v, right? du means e to the power x, u means e to the power x, and v means sine 3x. Understood? Now we'll use this formula. I have given the previous video about the formula. I have talked about this formula, how to find. In one problem I have discussed also, and again 5 problem. Now let's see what is the formula of du into v with respect to x. Okay, du into v is u. Here is first term, so keep first term dv by dx. In product rules, what it will be? Plus, but in dividend rules, means divide, that it will be minus. Okay, that is only different here. And difference one again is here it will be v square, but in product rules there will not be v square. u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Understood? Now we'll use this formula here. Okay, e to the power x means u is e to the power x, so here we'll use e to the power x. d v means sine 3x upon dx, right? Plus v means sine 3x, right? d e to the power x upon dx. What I have done, we have copied these things. u into v you have used this much, it came. Now we have to use also this also, so here is minus e to the power x sine 3x. We have copied this same thing here. Now this is the derivative of x, right? This is derivative of x, means v du by dx minus u dv by dx, means this is v term. So we have copied these things. Now write d. If you want to separate, then separate. In previous video we have talked about the separation of this. In this video we will do direct. How much you can do direct, that much you can do. Our derivative was the first video, so what we are doing, we are breaking in this way. Here d, 3 is the constant, so 3 x square by dx minus 2 dx by dx plus d1 by dx. But if you will not write this, then it will be, you can write here direct way. Okay, let's see here only, we will write here direct. Okay, 3 x square means, you know that what is the formula? X power n means dx power n by dx is n minus 1, means x is x n minus 1, power n minus 1. In each and every formula, remember this thing, in each and every formula there will be dx upon dx, means it will be got 1, so that we are not writing. But in each and every formula, if there is, suppose if there is e to the power x, what is the derivative of e to the power x? There will be e to the power x, but it will be dx by dx upon dx also. There is 1, so there in formula we are not going to write dx by dx. But in this, in problem, if there is the term, if there will be 3x, then what it will be? We have to use dx by dx. If you will use direct e to the power x, let's see d e to the power x, what will be? Here the formula will be e to the power x. What I have told, e to the d, x is our term, x, dx by dx means 1, so that we are writing only e to the power x. Okay, now what will be here? 3. Now x square means 2x, right? n minus 1 means 2 minus 1, how much? It's 1, right? Minus 2 dx by dx means 1, dx by dx means 1, and d1 by dx is 0. Okay, you can write here also 3 to the 6x minus 2. Here came 3 to the 6x minus 2, right? Same thing here. Another is by upon 3x square minus 2x plus 1 upon whole square, right? Now here we have to break. Now here we have to break, or again is over. Now write this term, 3x square minus 2x plus 1 e to the power x. Now here is d sin 3x. Let's see here, d sin 3x. What will be of this? Sin, it will be changed into cos. The derivative of sin x upon x is changed into cos x. So we will write here by what it will be again? Dx by dx also. In each and every formula, dx by dx. Don't forget that. So we will use here, means sin it will be cos. X is here our 3x. Dx. X is our 3x, so 3x upon dx. Now what it will be of this derivative? We will write cos 3x, right? 3x it will be 3. How? It will be constant, so we can write dx by dx. So 3 into 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 cos 3x. We can write this term. Okay, now come here, e to the power x sin 3x, it will be 3 cos 3x plus sin 3x e to the power x. What will be formula? E to the power x minus e to the power x sin 3x times 6x minus 2, 3x square minus 2x plus 1 whole square. Now rearrange this thing, that is our answer. If you will not rearrange, then this will be also answer. If you will rearrange, then it will be better. What it will be? It will be better. I will write it e to the power x. Keep this in bracket. 3 cos 3x. This is in multiplication term all. Square minus 2x plus 1. Right? I kept this plus e to the power x sine 3x minus this thing I kept here. Now this term this here. Now this term I'll keep here. E to the power x sine 3x 6x minus 2 3x square minus 2x plus 1 whole square. If you want to increase again another process, what you will do? You will take common of e to the power x. Let's say here is also e to the power x, here also e to the power x, here also e to the power. If you want to take, then only you can take. Otherwise, no, not necessary. It is not necessary to take that e to the common. If you want, if it is in objective, it is if it is in objective, then what you have to do? You have to take common. The in objective question, what they were asking, they will give the e to the power x. What will give their answer in objective? E to the power x 3 cos 3x 3 cos 3x 3x square minus 2x plus 1 plus sine 3x. What? Sine 3x e to the power x is here. So minus sine 3x by 6x minus 2 upon, what it will be, upon same 3x square minus 2x plus 1 of whole square. This will give in objective. If it will come in subjective way in exam, then you can do up to here, right? Now another question is, we'll do at least 3 problem today. Then our ordinary derivative will be in here only. Okay, we have discussed every problem related to derivative, which is very most important. Now let's see second one. 2 e to the power sine x into cos x. This cos x is not in power. E to the power sine x is only. Okay, what will the question tell? To find dy upon dx with respect to x. Now how to find this? First write the solution, you know that. Now take this dy by dx. dy means this term 2 e to the power sine x into cos x upon dx. Now what you will do? 2 is for e to the power sine x and of cos x also. What you will do? 2 you will get outside. Now right, I'll keep 2 at outside. D, okay, I'll separate here only. I'll not do one process. If you want to do, then you can do. What you will do in one process? 2, and you can write in this term. You can copy this thing here, and in another step I'll do direct here. 2, I take common here 2. D, this is not a common actually. I kept 2 is a constant word. 2 is constant, so I kept outside. D e to the power sine x by dx. Okay, by dx I'll do that process also. Dot cos x. Okay, I have done second process also. This is second. Okay, now in third what it will be? Here this is in u term. What is it? U term. This is in v term. What is the formula of u into b? We have discussed here u into b. Where is du into b? Du into b by dx is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. We will use this thing here. Okay, 2 will be outside. Now don't keep this. I brought to understand only u and b. Okay, u means e to the power sine x d u into dv by dx plus v du by dx e to the power sine x by dx. Okay, understood? What I have done this, I have kept the formula du into b. Du into b of formula is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, now 2 will be outside, e to the power sine x. Okay, what will be the formula of cos x? Cos x will be minus sin x. See that C means minus. When you are looking C, that time use minus. I'll use here only minus. Okay, this is in multiplication term, so I'll keep minus here. Cos will change into sin, minus sin x. So minus I kept here, sin x plus cos x. Now what will be the derivative of this term? Derivative of e to the power sin x. We know that derivative of ex it will be e to the power x dx by dx. Dx by dx. Our x is sin x. E to the power x means e to the power sin x. Dx upon dx. Dx means sin x upon dx. Okay. E to the power sin x. Sin x of the, what is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. So what we will write here is the cos x. Now we will write here into e to the power sin x into cos x. Okay. Again one process you can do, minus sin x into e to the power sin x. If you will keep this thing, then that it is okay. Don't worry, I am keeping this way in that way. If you will write this thing here direct, then also it will be okay. Now plus cos x what it will be? Means x into x, what it will be? X square. So cos x into cos x, it will be cos square x into e to the power sin x. Okay, e to the power sin x. Again one process you can do, then you can take common of sin x. Okay, I'll take 2 e to the power sin x. If you will not do, then it's okay. So here is minus. If you want to keep this minus in front, then you can take this part here and you can replace this part here. Okay, I'll do. Here is e to the power sin x, I have to common. Here is also e to the power sin x. Now I'll write this term. Otherwise, if you will write this term minus sin x, okay, minus sin x plus what the left? Cos square x. It's okay. If you want to write 2 e to the power sin x cos square x minus sin x, it's okay. What you want to write, you can do. Everything is right. This also right. In this, up to this much you will do, then also it is right. No, any teacher will not cut your mark in this. Okay. And last problem will use y equals to x squared sin 3x upon e to the power 4x. Find dy upon dx. How you will find this? Same. What you have used? U into u by v. So here also you will use u by v. Okay. Here you will use u by v. You can do or I'll do. Okay. Let's see. Dy by dx. D x square sin 3x upon e to the power 4x by dx. What I have done, I have copied this thing here. Same this here up to here we'll use this only. What is the derivative of u by v? U by v is v now here is du by v. So v is our e to the power 4x, v du by dx, x square sin 3x by dx, right? Now v du by dx minus u dv by dx. U is x square sin 3x, u dv by dx e to the power 4x upon dx, right? U v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon u e to the power 4x whole square, right? Same here, v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. This is our u and this is our v. So e to the power 4x. Now what you will use here? You will use, there is x square and sine 3x, you will use product rules. What you will use? Product rules. What is the product rules? U into b rules. What is the u into b rules? U into b means u dv by dx plus b du by dx. Means u is, I'll keep here curly bracket or any bracket. X squared u means x squared d sine 3x upon dx. U dv by dx plus v du by dx. Okay, close this bracket. Now I have done this. Now what you will do? Minus x squared sine 3x. Now e to the power 4x. What is the derivative of e to the power 4x? If I'll do direct, then 4 e to the power 4x it will be. Okay. If you will not do direct, then what it will be? E to the power 4x d 4x e to the power 4x. What will be the 4x of derivative? 4. So it will come 4. It will come 4 e to the power 4x. Okay, write e to the power 4x of whole square. Okay, now what you will do? Here is e to the power 4x, e to the power 4x, x square. What will be the derivative of sine 3x? Let's see here. Derivative of sine 3x upon dx. Sine of derivative of sine, it is cos. X means our here is 3x. Now dx by dx also. So dx by x by dx. 3x means 3 cos 3x. Okay. 3x is, you know that 3 will be the outside. Dx by dx means 3 cos 3x. Now write sine 3 of it will be 3 cos 3x. Okay. 3 cos 3x plus sine 3x. What will be the derivative of x square? X square it will be n. N means 2. Ax. N minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 1. So we'll write 2x. Okay. Another minus x squared sine 3x. X squared sine 3x upon 4 e to the power 4x. I have copied this thing. Okay. Now here you can see e to the power 4x is 4 this much, and e to the power 4x 4 is, if you will keep this bracket, then also it is better. If not then also better, e keep this way or keep this way. Okay, e to the power 4 by, again here, e to the power 4x of whole square. Here is what common? E to the power 4x. Here also e to the power 4x. So take common. What you will take? E to the power 4x, e to the power 4x as a common. Now what it will be here? X square 3 cos 3x. 3 cos 3x, right? X square 3 cos 3x plus 2x into sine 3x. 2x into sine 3x. Okay, minus x square sine 3x. X square sine 3x. X square sine 3x into 4 there is. So I'll write 4 here also. Then also it is better. Okay. Now e to the power 4x is our common here by e to the power 4x. Okay. Of whole square here. So we can cut here. This is e to the power 4x. We can or not? We can. E to the power 4x. Here is a whole square. So e to the power 4x it will be cut. And our final answer is x square 3 cos 3x plus 2x into sine 3x minus 4x square into sine 3x. This is our by e to the power 4x. This is our final answer. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please go and subscribe and watch the full video to know about every problems of derivative. And in next video we shall talk about the partial derivative. What is the difference in partial derivative and ordinary derivative? This much is for class 12 and for also BTech. For BTech student class 10, 8 also, I think from 8 also nowadays it is started derivative. Actually it is start from 11, 12 for BTech. This is for BTech, for this much just its formula only. And if you will get about ordinary derivative, then you can do partial derivative. It is similar as a ordinary derivative. Partial derivative is similar as a ordinary derivative. If so, first get every information about ordinary derivative while going to do partial derivative. Okay, thanks for watching.